Welcome to English Voice Chat.
Hi, can I get one of those coffee things?
Jake, no. We are fixing this today.
What? Coffee things is basically a full sentence.
Today, you will learn how to walk into any coffee shop, order confidently, make small talk, and pay, all in natural English.
And whether you're traveling, studying, or just practicing, you will use every single phrase in this video.
So, let's walk in together. Ready?
Let's go!
You just walked in. The barista looks up and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Do I just jump straight into my order?
You can, but a quick greeting first sounds so much more natural. Even just, "Hey," makes a difference. Listen to these natural opening lines. "Hey, how's it going?" "Good morning. I think I'm ready to order." "Hi there. Could I get a moment to look at the menu?"
That third one is really useful. It tells them you need a little more time.
And if you need that time, just say, "Sorry, just give me 1 second."
I say 1 second and then stand there for 4 minutes.
Everyone does, and that is completely fine.
Quick recap. Greet them warmly and let them know if you need more time. Simple.
Now you're looking at the menu, and maybe you don't understand something. What do you do?
Panic quietly and point at something random?
No, you ask. It is completely normal to ask questions. Sorry, what's the difference between a latte and a flat white? What do you recommend? Is this one sweet or more bitter?
What do you recommend? I love that one. You let them decide.
And baristas love that question. It starts a real conversation.
What if I just don't recognize a word on the menu?
Easy. Just say, "I'm sorry, what exactly is in this drink?"
Never be embarrassed to ask. Explaining drinks is literally their job.
Exactly. Recap. Read the menu, ask questions naturally, and use "What do you recommend?" when you're unsure. Okay, you know what you want. Time to order. This is where many learners freeze.
I once just said coffee and handed over money. That was my whole order.
We are doing much better today. Listen to these natural order phrases. "Can I get a medium latte, please?" "I'll have a large cappuccino." "Could I have one black coffee and a blueberry muffin?"
Can I get and I'll have are both totally fine?
Both are completely natural. "Can I get" is casual American English. "I'll have" is slightly more formal, but both work everywhere.
What about just saying, I want a coffee?
Not rude, but a little blunt. Just swap it for "Can I get" and add "please." Instantly sounds better.
Recap. Use can I get or I'll have. Keep it simple and always add please.
This is where learners get really nervous. Customizing your drink. But it is simpler than you think.
Oat milk, no foam, extra shot, 2 pumps vanilla. How do people even say all that?
One piece at a time. Listen carefully. "Can I get that with oat milk instead of regular milk?" "Could I have an extra shot of espresso?" "Can you make that a little less sweet, please?" "I'd like that with no foam, please."
I'd like. That sounds really polite and soft.
It is great for customizing specifically. And if they get it wrong, "I'm sorry, I think I asked for oat milk."
Notice, I think I asked, not you made it wrong. So much kinder.
Polite corrections always get better results. Always.
Recap. Use I'd like and can I get that with? And fix mistakes kindly.
Order done. Drink coming. And now, most learners just go completely silent.
Because we used all our English on the order.
I completely understand. But small talk is honestly the best real English practice you will ever get.
So, what do you even say?
Keep it short and light. Try these. It's so busy in here today, huh? I love the music you've got on. Is this your busiest time of day?
That last one is so natural. It's a real question and it shows you're interested in them.
And if they're clearly very busy, just one line is enough. Even a smile and looks like you're having a busy one.
Small talk is about being human, not perfect.
Perfectly said. Recap. 1 or 2 light lines is all you need. Connection over perfection, always. Drink is almost ready. Time to pay. Let's make this part smooth too.
What do people actually say when they pay?
The barista tells you the total, and you respond naturally, like this. Here you go. When handing over cash or card. Can I pay by card? Do you take contactless? Keep the change. When paying with cash.
Keep the change. I've heard that 100 times in movies and finally know when to say it.
And for tipping, especially in the US, you can say, I'll add a tip on the card. Thank you. How does the tip work here?
That second one is so useful if you're in a new country and genuinely not sure.
Tipping culture is different everywhere. Asking politely is always fine.
Recap. Know your payment phrases, ask about tips if unsure, and close with a warm, "Thanks so much, have a great day."
You've got your drink. You found a table. Now, the best part, chatting with a friend in English.
This is where the real conversation happens.
And this is where all your casual English comes together. Listen to some natural conversation starters. Oh my gosh, I needed this coffee so badly today. This place has such a good vibe. Have you been here before? I've been meaning to catch up with you. How have you been?
I've been meaning to. What does that actually mean?
It means you wanted to do something, but hadn't done it yet. Very natural in casual English.
And how do you respond to small talk naturally?
Try these. Honestly, it's been a crazy week. I'm good, just really tired, you know? Same old, nothing too exciting.
Same old, same old. That phrase is so real. I use it all the time now.
It means nothing much has changed. Life is normal. Super common in casual English.
And how do you keep the conversation going?
Easy. Use reaction phrases like, no way, seriously? Wait, tell me more about that.
Those reactions, no way and seriously, make you sound so natural, so fast.
Because in real conversation, your reactions matter just as much as your sentences.
Recap. Casual chat is about reactions, follow-up questions, and just being present. That's real English.
Okay, let's bring everything together. Jake, can you recap for us?
Let's do it. Chapter 1. Greet the barista warmly when you walk in. Chapter 2. Ask questions about the menu, especially what do you recommend? Chapter 3. Order using can I get or I'll have and always say please. Chapter 4. Customize your drink and fix mistakes politely. Chapter 5. Make short, friendly small talk with a barista. Chapter 6. Handle paying and tipping phrases confidently. Chapter 7. Chat with a friend using real casual English reactions.
That was perfect, Jake. Honestly.
I had a really good teacher.
Here's what I want you to remember. You do not need perfect English for this. You need confident English.
And confidence only comes from one thing: practice.
So here is your challenge this week. Go to a coffee shop, real or imaginary, and say your order out loud in English.
Talk to yourself in the mirror if you have to. We will absolutely not judge you.
We really won't. If this video helped you, please subscribe to English Voice Chat. We make real, natural English lessons every single week, just like this one.
And leave us a comment below with your answer to this question.
What is your coffee order in English?
Write it out in the comments. Practice it. Own it.
We will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Later. Now go get that coffee.